Huh? Who's that? Am I going crazy or? What's this noise as I keep hearing? Oh, maybe it's a bird outside or something. I don't know. Did I just see? Okay, that's it. I got to come up with a plan here. There's something going on. Claudia! Yes, you are! You're making these stupid noises!
I'm not making annoying noises, Patty. I'm not.
No, you were making annoying noises. You're making annoying sounds. I hear you.
You heard me? Well, you're a fucking shit because
you know the only one who's crazy around here is you little brat.
Isn't sad.
I know. Shut up. Be quiet. Stop it. Let me inquire.
Fine.
So annoying. Oh, stop it! I'm gonna take this in my room. Hi. Yeah, you know I'm about to watch footballing with Keith, and yeah. It should be good. Yeah, we're gonna watch the football. It's gonna be a good game in our Don't worry about that. It's my brother being super annoying again. So anyway, we're gonna watch the football. It's going to be a good game. So yeah, it should be pretty cool. I've got to go. Give me a second. Sorry, this is getting really annoying. Oh my god! He hasn't been here for a while. It's been like 20 minutes. Maybe I could just get quick enough.
I'm going to do this.
That's it. I'm gonna go tell Keith. Man, I love to go in here, and I love to get in there. I'm gonna stay in the cupboard. Keith! Yes, Brianna. Yes, Patty. Brianna's being annoying again. He keeps coming into my room and making really loud and annoying noises. I've told him about this. That he just couldn't tell him to be quiet. Get out of my room. Oh, okay. Come in then. He's in here, Keith, I swear. Oh, it just suck. Why are you doing this? Oh,
because I love doing it. It's my favorite activity. Also, do you like
Why
it?
did you jump at me like that? You nearly gave me a heart attack.
I didn't nearly give you a heart attack.
Well, you're not funny, like button or me all day with these stupid noises.
Patty, shut up!
That's it. Both of you, stop. You're arguing. arguing. I didn't even do anything. It was him. Well, both of you stop your arguing. You stop making annoying noises and you stop being so rude. I've spoken now. Get out of the room. You heard her. Get out of the room. Loser. Such a little brat. Shut up! Be quiet! That's it! I'm going to the toilet! I'm going to the toilet! Brianna, I'm going to the toilet! And don't you dare make noises while I'm in there!
Okay, Patty! Yes, I know it's gonna be great. I think she's gonna be bad for one thing. It's very lovely.
Oh, you're still in there, are you, Brianna?
First of all, my name is Alan. Second of all,
Okay, dude. Okay, Alan, sorry. Ooh, Alan's and Patty's and Potty. Now it's time to go. Yo, sis, what you doing? What is that? I'm trying to go to the toilet! Who's doing that? Dude, if that's Brianna, he's in big trouble! That's it! Brianna! What are you doing making noises while I'm trying to go to the toilet?
I don't know, that was she, Alan. I thought that was
no excuses. You don't annoy Alan while he's trying to go to the toilet. You're grounded for a week.